Good Thursday morning, everybody. Chris Allen with your weather podcast for this April 9th. After a stormy day for some of you yesterday, we had some reports and even some photos of golf ball, even almost baseball-sized hail over in parts of Butler County, up into Edmonson and Grayson counties. Pretty significant stuff. Big storm formed there and produced a lot of rain, a lot of lightning, and the large hail. But not everybody got rain yesterday. It was one of those situations where there was a little outflow boundary, and it was a trigger for a few of those thunderstorms. But even though the available moisture was there, not everybody got in on the trigger. We explained some of that in yesterday's podcast. And then we were watching a cluster of thunderstorms out of Missouri that looked like it was going to stay together, maybe, and move into the area about 9, 10 o'clock last night, but it did not hold together, which is good. We got a little bit of rain out of that, but no severe weather, no strong thunderstorms. You'll wake up this morning and notice some of you are looking at some wet roadways after some of the showers last night, and even on radar this morning, we're seeing a few scattered light rain showers, but all the action right now is back into Missouri and parts of Arkansas, on down into Oklahoma, Texas, and all that's going to move east as the cold front that's been parked there in that region for the last several days and has continued to bring us an ongoing chance of unsettled weather is finally going to move east today and is going to arrive in our area late tonight, early tomorrow, and that's when our severe weather risk is going to go up. Now, whether all this materializes and actually produces severe weather remains to be seen, but we are under a slight risk of severe weather for later today and tonight, especially this afternoon and tonight. And there's also now a flash flood watch for areas north and east of the Bowling Green area. It does not include Warren County, but high water everywhere, and we're going to get more rain. And unfortunately, as we look at the 7-day forecast and we get into next week, more unsettled weather, more stormy weather, and more potential for flooding rainfall across the area. It looks like it's not going to let up except for a couple of days this weekend. Yesterday, it was a warm and muggy 84. 84 was the official high temperature at the Bowling Green Airport. That happened a little bit after 4 o'clock in the afternoon. 68, the average. That's a 16-degree difference. 60 was our low. 43 is the average. That's a 17-degree difference. And by the way, that 84 degrees yesterday was only 2 degrees shy of the all-time record high temperature for yesterday, set both in 1978 and 1922. The record 86. We hit 84. Now, at the airport, even though we had scattered thunderstorms around the area, none of those hit the rain bucket at the airport, so we're showing 0 for the day. Now, today, continued warm and muggy, but it will also be breezy, windy at times. Southwest winds, 16 to 32 miles per hour. Chance of a thunderstorm or two this afternoon. I think for the most part, today is going to be just warm and windy and muggy. Any shower, thunderstorm activity is going to hold off until later. We'll see a high of 82, but it could get a little bit warmer than that like we did yesterday, closer to back to that 84, maybe 85 in some cases. It is tonight. Later tonight, we're looking at sometime after, say, 8, 9 o'clock into the overnight hours is when the severe weather threat will come in with the arrival of the cold front. Showers, thunderstorms likely, some possibly severe, damaging wind potential, maybe hail potential, and, of course, frequent lightning and torrential downpours. A low of 61. Tornado threat is rather low with this one, but you can't completely ever rule that out. By Friday morning, the front will be east of I-65, and we're looking for just a few lingering showers east of I-65 early tomorrow morning. But as we get on into Friday, clearing and cooler, less humid. A high of 67 for Friday afternoon. It's going to get down to 45 on Friday night. And really, those numbers are more right on average for this time of the year than what we've had in the previous days. Saturday is going to be spectacular. Sunshine, less humid, 68. Sunday, warmer, 77 with increasing clouds. And here comes our next storm system to bring us a chance of showers Sunday night. Monday, scattered showers and thunderstorms, 76. Tuesday, scattered showers and thunderstorms, 77. Wednesday, scattered showers and thunderstorms at around 80. I know it's a broken record, but here we go again. More rain and thunderstorm chances into next week, much of next week, and more potential for flooding. The flooding issues being aggravated once again, and there could be more severe thunderstorm threats as we get into next week as well. But the weekend right now looking good. So turn on your NOAA weather radios and make sure you're signed up for our text alerts. You can do that at WBKO.com. Have 2 or 3 different ways to monitor severe weather. Don't just depend on an outdoor warning siren. Don't just depend on a text alert. Don't just depend on your weather radio. Have 2 or 3 different ways to make sure you're getting notified if any warnings are issued sometime today or tonight or even early tomorrow morning. The concern, even though the tornado threat is not high, a lot of this severe weather may happen during the overnight hours when most everybody is asleep. Nonetheless, we will be here even early in the morning if that should happen, so stay connected and know the weather before it knows you. Have a great day. I'll see you live at 5:30 on AM Kentucky, streaming live to the WBKO app and to WBKO.com. Thank you for listening, and God bless.